How to install Tester Buddy app, earn money, become a real tester and earn. So that's what you have here. So Tester Buddy is an innovative online service platform designed to empower individuals by giving them a voice in shaping the product and services they use on daily basis. So we understand that every individual has unique perspective. So you just participate in surveys and then you can earn some gift cards from this app. And this app seems to be quite legit. It has a lot of reviews. So let's just see how it works. And then you just claim your gifts. And then you see that the minimum payout is $1. So then you just see games. You can invite a friend. And then if you invite a friend, you just limited start bonus. So you can also have this. So this is a nice feature as well. So you can just feel free to use my code. And then there is payout. So you can get $1 to PayPal, $2, $10, $50, and then you can redeem. But you need to play games. So you need to find my games and then I don't know like whether so at the moment I don't see any games, so probably they just need to appear here. So at the moment for me I don't see any games. It can happen that there are not available servers or games, then you just need basically to wait and try another time.